Jamaican motorsport sensation Sara Misir capped off her first season in powerboating with a strong third-place finish at the Miami Grand Prix in Biscayne Bay, securing third place overall in the 2025 E1 Series Championship for Team Blue Rising with 169 points. Team Brady successfully defended their title with 195 points, while Team Rafa was second on 184. The finale took place in front of several celebrity team owners, including legendary sporting icons Tom Brady, Rafael Nadal, and Will Smith. Misir's debut season was marked by consistency, speed, and rapid adaptation to the all-electric E1 platform. Together with Peters, she delivered a series of strong results, including third place in the Miami Grand Prix finale, a victory in Monaco, third place in Italy on June 28, and third place in the opening round in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia on January 25. With 4 podium finishes in 6 events, Team Blue Rising closed out the year as one of the championship's most improved outfits. The E1 Series, the world's first all-electric raceboat championship, continues to grow globally, with Misir emerging as one of its most promising new talents in her debut powerboating season.